Time for change. Reducing false alarms. From the 1st of February 2024, we are changing the way firefighters respond to automatic fire alarms in commercial premises. Fire alarm systems provide an early warning of fire to keep people safe. But in the workplace, over 98% of the calls we receive from them end up as false alarms, which are often caused by cooking fumes, dust, or a lack of maintenance. Reducing false alarms will free up firefighters for real emergencies. Sleeping premises such as hospitals, care homes, hotels, and domestic premises will continue to get the same response. Commercial premises like factories, offices, and shops will be affected and need to get ready for the changes. Duty holders with responsibility for premises must safely check for signs of fire before calling 999. Our Regional Control Centre staff will send the nearest resource if there are signs of a fire or an actual fire. Ignoring the changes could put people at risk. Visit our website for more information.